Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit in Python with a safe input handling using try and accept. Let's go step by step. First, instead of directly taking input, we will wrap it inside a try block like this. Here we ask the user to enter a temperature. We convert it into a float because temperature can be in decimal. But what if the user enters something invalid, like text instead of a number? That's where that's where try and accept help us. Now comes the logic building. This is the standard formula for converting Celsius into Fahrenheit. It is Fahrenheit equal to parenthesis temperature 9:5 plus 32. Next we will print the result. The temperature in Celsius is that will be the temperature. What else we have to print? We have to print the temperature in Fahrenheit also. So writing the whole code, I will just copy it. Instead of temperature, we will have to write Fahrenheit here, and here also Fahrenheit. We are using F string to display the value in clean and readable way. Now comes the important part. That is the error handling. That will be the value error and will print the please enter valid number. It is please enter valid number. If the user enters something like connect to the kernel first, it's connected. Let's say we will write something like A, B, C. A, B, and C. See, value error. This time we will write a temperature 5. Look like we have done here. The temperature in Celsius will be 25 and Fahrenheit will be 77. Okay, so instead of crashing, our program will show a friendly message. The pro tip, the error handling is very important in real life application. It makes your program robust and reliable. That's it. Now the program not only works but also handle error like a pro. Right? This video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned because in the next video we will solve another interesting Python problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.